Ensure that the water level is within the green range. Connect the pressure valve to the nitrogen gas cylinder. And then attach the other end to the gas input port at the back of the machine. Position the wire feeder machine next to the welding machine. And load the welding wire, securely fastening it in place. On the right side of the machine, you'll find two sets of cables, one with 3 plugs and the other with 4 plugs. Connect these cables to their respective ports on the back of the wire feeder machine. Follow the provided diagram to connect the wires to the electrical panel and circuit breaker. After supplying power, turn on the main control switch, followed by pressing the emergency stop and system power buttons in sequence. Once the machine is powered on, also activate the wire feeder machine by switching it on. Retrieve the wire feeder tube and connect it as indicated. For the short head of the wire feeder tube, insert it into the front of the wire feeder machine. Loosen the screw, insert the tube, and then tighten the screw. Lay the welding gun and wires flat on the ground. Keeping the wire feeder tube parallel nearby. Remove a section of welding wire and trim away any bent portions. Follow the video instructions to thread the welding wire through the feeder tube and secure it in place. In the Wire Feeding Parameters section, select Continuous Wire Feeding. The welding gun will send out 10 centimeters of welding wire before stopping. Unscrew the fastening screw, install the wire guide tube and wire guide nozzle as demonstrated in the video. Make sure the welding wire is properly secured in the nozzle slot. That concludes the entire installation process for the welding.